it can cause a fire in your house if you
Run down van. Run, stop! Catch him, watch him!
Vlogmas day 14. Today's not the 15th, babe. Today's the 14th. Welcome back to the vlog, y'all. We are on the road. It is 6:51 a.m. I have a 7 a.m. hairdresser appointment, and we're on our way. Baby's taking me this morning, so I feel very, very good that I don't have to drive. I've been chauffeur driven. I'm taking you guys with me today, so I'm gonna get my hair done. Not sure if I'm gonna get it relaxed, as yet. I'm gonna allow my stylist to take a look at it first and see what needs to be done. I think I need probably like a deep treatment, something. I don't know. Let's see, but let's go. It's 6:52 now, and you know it's still nighttime here in the GA. But have a great Saturday, y'all. Well, by the time y'all see this video, it's gonna be Saturday night. So have a great Saturday night.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
I don't want to even miss them a while ago. Yes, girl.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, bring the cheese.
Y'all really like each other. That's so nice.
We like each other.
No, that's not true.
He loves me.
No, it's still her. Listen, when I first saw her, I didn't like her.
He loves me. Well, now I don't care.
I saw her in the street. I saw her in the streets.
You did not see me on any street. That's a lie.
Saw her at the grocery store.
No. What would you doing on the street?
We used to work at the same place, Leah. Don't listen to him. He's a liar.
So I saw her at
Are
the
you gonna
hotel.
give you the room?
Yeah. Don't worry.
What she said?
I'm like, should I tune in or tune
Yeah.
Oh, no. Matter of fact, I was working we met at a hotel. She came for an interview. So she came in, and one of the manager, who's a person he is, And then we saw her and it's like, "Hey, this pretty
I was
good."
little and
I was-
sweet and
yeah, I
innocent.
was like,
He
this
was a creep, the guy?
Yeah, the
Oh, no,
manager,
it's-
yes. Alrighty, so my hair is drying. We're in the last stage right now, so I'm excited for the results. And it's still early, it's like 8:20. So I'm looking all cutesy with the hussy. 8:25 with good timing, right? Right? Kenya more hair care. Kenya more hair care. They don't come. The good girls ain't no fun.
And the bad girls want a real nigga.
Yeah, step sail around, gon' blaze out, take the wheel job. Every year they got these women in their river silent. I'm just trying to take a dip, yeah. Never just. All I need is one more chance, just save me. Need is one more chance. You know we turn that stick. I'm on a new toy. In your eyes, you gon' blow. I said, can't got on what about it, count.
I can give you a chance. Even on the tragedy for once.
Come here for the other side. Oh, we can't walk like you're a gangster, so. Eh?
You the real style.
Watch my babe. Why didn't give him that job, yeah? What's it?
What's the man, you know, when Spikey la broke me?
And we go and tell him, close catch his boss, you know, you don't
What?
slide.
No, man. What's it? No, sir. You're no van. No, let's go!
Driver.
Catch him, what's up? No, man, I'm not driving, my wife. What's up? My man, what's my man? What's your uncle? What's up? What?
And drop on head back.
What's up? What's your man, uncle? What's your man?
Oh, well, you want to come, well,
What's up? Mom's no! What's up? Blue! Karate man, yes, sir! My man's a... What's up? He's skin out! Love you!
Try to make sure that you
No! No, sir!
Why take the job? Why take the job? Eh? Why the man take the job?
I'm not going to come back. I should
What's
help
up?
He
people.
gonna pull down people.
Mm.
Mama, now move it. Watch out, babe. Watch out. Jesus. Web.
No.
Ice. Ice. Someone skate on it
Yeah, see
up.
when I check your temperature.
Boy, I have to make a camera for that Chinese man.
A girl with the blue something I do squats for your position look tiny table. Touch that! What's up? Mama, I look you know what is it? Mama, can't know.
Little car.
What's up, Mama? It's back to you.
No, that's my reaction.
So that's why you must take care of her. You don't want to sit down for your pants.
I love you. I just sleep. And then I
Can you shop back that, Daddy?
Me bag the right room, listen. So today is cleaning out the washroom there apparently. So we have the whirlpool unit. So Chris is cleaning out the vents. And if y'all don't know, y'all need to do this very often because it can cause a fire in your house if your vent is blocked up. So Chris is going in. He's actually using the shock vac to suck out whatever is in it, And this is backed up lint. So even though you have your lint that is coming from your little trap there in your dryer, now all of it is trapped with that mesh thing. So you still have to go in there and clean off some of the items, clean out the dirt. And then this is the, what is the name, babe?
The vent.
The vent that connects the dryer to the hole right there. So you have to clean it out. And you can't look inside. It's very filthy. So Chris is gonna go in now and clean it up and, you know, make sure everything is clean and fresh, and you know. So if you have a dryer at home and you realize your dryer is not drying your clothes efficiently, properly, so you know that it needs to be clean. And you can see in there, so he's gonna take all of that out now. Ours was working, it's just that I saw a signal come up. The good thing about these dryers, the signal, it gives you a signal prior to going out. Check vent, yes. So that's what baby's doing today, checking the vent, cleaning the vent. But in here very dusty, so I'm gone.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Look, I have all this. I have this.
And then you have First Lady here helping her daddy, because she have to in everything, which is good. She knows our zip. Look for her zip and her fingernail and all of this something there. A fingernail in there. You come in soon. Our fingernail in the baby. So yeah, this is what's happening in the washroom.
Whose zipper is this? I don't have a coat that has this. Must be Tennille's. Is my fingernail that stuck in the room, Daddy?
And then Mr. Mandisney is in the house.
Oh, yes.
Daddy's here.
Yeah.
And you know my parents love cook.
Right.
My stove not get a rest when they're here.
No, the pot can't hide.
The pot can't idle, so daddy cook up a storm. Yeah, wash out the starfish like moment. Mommy watch starfish now. No, I know starfish again in a fish.
No, me leave later.
You leave little bit tonight?
Yeah, man. Then I leave. I have to leave something inside. You can't.
A butter bean you use or baked bean?
I want dinner that missing.
Hold on, man. You know me never. Hold on. See it here.
The one I pork in. Pork.
No, this is vegetarian. No, this is I only eat vegetarian. You can't trick me.
Okay.
Not the. These are the only thing me take up vegetarian.
I get smart.
Me smart, man. Me smart. No, man. Yeah, let me dey read. No, man. I only the vegetarian. Cause the other one come with a big piece of pork in it. Me don't want that to eat. You need a banger, man. You say I feel me meal this?
Yeah. Every time you send me, I owe them money.
Me owe them? Me don't owe them no money.
Look for the pan.
Lord Jesus, please. I owe them. Oh, the life insurance. Premium due. $109.
So you still live with that?
Daddy, I don't want need to call them. Me have one life insurance with them, yes. And them away all state. And them away all states no, but Wilton.
Yeah, switch
Wilton Reassurance Life Company of New York. I forgot to call them.
And they have money.
So they send you one. They send you meal every month.
No, I once in a while. I'm looking at the thing.
You see? I see that I still live in New York. Still I get mail on my yard.
I like it.
You gonna read that book?
I Spy.
You gonna read that
spy?
book?
The Spy and you Spy and Sissy.
You have a what? You have a what? Come here. Come here to me. What you have?
I have pencil.
You have a pencil.
Me go tell Tiaja. So the next video you'll see, I am trying to do get ready with me. Husband and I were going out. We're hitting the streets. Well, I don't know about the hitting streets part, but we're going to a graduation party. So that's gonna be the next video. I'm excited. I haven't been out in a minute. So, and I've never been to one of those. Have you, babe? Have you? What like it? So, we're gonna go get ready now. Nobody not invited nowhere. Listen, Chris and I today. You hear what Tisha said today? Today she said today she said she feels like we're siblings instead of her parents. Is that good or bad? I think that's good though. We have a good relationship, you know. But anyways, gonna go get ready. I'm gonna try and record. I've never done a get ready with me. I'm always rushing, so Mr. Babe take out him stuff. I'm like he's about to go take a shower. So I probably should do the same. I don't have anything to do. My hair is already done. So I just need to take a shower and put on light makeup because I hardly wear makeup nowadays. And get dressed, but we're gonna look spicy, so I want to show you guys what we're wearing. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye.